Hello everyone, I'm Jay and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some dog breeds in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these dog breeds together. Please give it a try. Poodle, poodle, poodle. Portuguese Water Dog, Portuguese Water Dog, Portuguese Water Dog. Pug, pug, pug. Rat Terrier, Rat Terrier, Rat Terrier. Rottweiler, Rottweiler, Rottweiler. Saint Bernard, Saint Bernard, Saint Bernard. Saluki, Saluki, Saluki. Scottish Terrier, Scottish Terrier, Scottish Terrier. Shar Pei, Shar Pei, Shar Pei. Shetland Sheepdog, Shetland Sheepdog, Shetland Sheepdog. Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. Shih Tzu, Shih Tzu, Shih Tzu. Siberian Husky, Siberian Husky, Siberian Husky. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help us greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.